I'm going to show you how to make a book snap out of a primary source that you find online or text that you find online. So the first thing is I've opened up Google Draw. It is about the right size. If you want to change this, we can go to standard is what it comes out when you first open it. I'm going to go and find the text I want. So this is from the Dred Scott versus Sanford court case. I want to copy this text right here and make a book snap out of it. So I can do that on a Windows 7 machine with a snipping tool, but if you're on a Chromebook, you're going to need an extension like Awesome Screenshot. And I'll click that, my selected area, and here we go. I clicked and dragged, and I'm going to capture it. I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm not going to do anything else to it, but I could if I wanted to with the options here. I'm going to click done, and I've got some options, but for what I want to do right now, I'm going to save this as an image file. And I'm going to choose where I want it, and I'm going to go ahead and click save. And there we go. So now I want to insert it on this drawing. I'm going to do insert image. I'm going to upload. So I'm going to go and find that file. I'm going to open it, and it's going to insert into my page. Now I can resize it at this point. I could take the background and make it fit my text. However, I think I need to do that. Now book snaps include text and images on top of this to give reflection on what it means. And this basically said that Dred Scott couldn't sue because he was not a citizen, according to the Constitution. So I'm going to include that here and choose a shape, and I can change what color that shape is, and I can make it more transparent, which I'm going to do right now by going under custom and dragging this down just a bit. I'm going to right click and edit text. I'm going to add my opinion or a summary of what this means right here. I've written that out so you don't have to wait and watch me type. Paste it in. So I can select this text, change what color it is, change the size, change the font. Got all of these different choices right here. So if I'm happy with it, I'm going to leave it alone. If I want that background to be a little darker so I can read the text better, I can adjust that. And then I also want to include some images. So I'm going to do insert image. I'm going to search, and this gives me images that I can use. So I'm going to say it was prohibit or deny, and so something like this. He could not sue. Now I don't like this one because the insides aren't cut out, so I might try one more. So you might have to test that a little bit to see if you find the best one for you. And that's kind of the same. I'm going to leave it alone right now. But you can keep going until you find the image that you like. Now one of these signs I could always do under shapes as well. I could do insert image and type in. It was one of the reasons the Civil War was fought. So I can search through these images and find something that I like. I'm not finding anything I'm just in love with at this moment, so maybe I need a different search term. Go ahead and click cancel that. I also need to include where I got this text, so I need my bibliographical information, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to add another shape and put it down here. I'm going to change my color. And I can use that same black that I just used, probably there. And I have found my citing using Easy Bib. And I'm just going to copy that and edit text, paste it in. I'm going to turn that white so you can see it better. So now I have taken a document online and created a book snap with it. I'm going to give it a title. I can share it through Google, and I can also download it, print it, put it in other documents. So it's very flexible at this point.